So ready to take control of your health insurance options? Let me simplify it for you and break it down when you can actually do that enrollment. So the open enrollment period runs from November 1st through January 15th every year, and it's for coverage that will begin on January 1st the following year. So if we're looking at open enrollment here in 2024, we're going to be looking at a 2025 health insurance plan. This is the period of time when you're going to sit with your broker and you're going to go over your options for choosing a new plan, or maybe you're just going to review the plan that you're on and make sure that everything's still working for you. Every year those plans change. In addition to increasing in price, the plan design is going to change. So you might want to check on that. You might want to see, has the deductible gone up? Has the plan lost the doctors? Maybe they're not covering the same drugs that they were. So lots of great reasons to review it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is why we have enrollment restrictions on health insurance. So in the past, there used to be medical underwriting where a health insurance company could look at your health conditions and they could either deny you or they could charge you more money if you fell within certain rating areas. Nowadays, because we've decided that pre-existing conditions are not a good reason to deny someone coverage, we have to restrict when they can enroll in a plan. What we don't want is somebody having an accident or getting a diagnosis and then buying insurance and expecting the insurance company to pay the entire bill. So if you are an individual or family looking for coverage, maybe you don't get coverage through your employer, you need to go out and you need to find a private plan or a plan that's going to cover your family. The first thing we're going to look at is the open enrollment period. The open enrollment period is for people who are under 65 on individual family plans, and that period runs from November 1st to January 15th every year. That's going to be the time of year when you either change plans, you get to enroll in a plan that you didn't have before, or you're going to review your plan, you're going to make sure that everything's working right for you. The next time that you can enroll is when you have a QLE. A QLE is a qualifying life event. That's going to be when you lost your coverage for any reason other than non-payment. So you didn't lose it because you didn't like the plan and decided to stop paying for it, but rather you lost that employer-sponsored plan, or you moved into the state, or you got divorced. Some reason for losing the insurance besides not paying for it. The only time that you really have a QLE without losing coverage is when you're born. So if you're pregnant and you don't have insurance, once that baby is born, we'll be able to get that baby coverage. Just give us a call at Aware Benefits when open enrollment comes along. Aware Benefits is your friend with benefits.